Hello everybody. Today I will speak about types of personality and how they gaze. It is very important. I do fascination, hypnotic fascination, and I use different styles with different people. But how can we recognize the different people? How can we recognize? I will teach you what to observe, something that you can even look at with a video, with Skype, with even at a distance, because you can notice something. There's somebody that looks always at the camera a lot. There are people that don't look at the camera. There are people that look only when they see something good, when they feel good, they look to create empathy. There are people that look in some way when they fear something, there is something to solve. At this point they look. Now let's analyze the different types and how they relate. I will speak now about Eysenck. Eysenck was a researcher, a psychologist, that created an analysis of personality types. The analysis of Eysenck is very interesting and can get along a lot with what we observe about the gaze. We have in Eysenck analysis 4 types of personality. One or better said 2 types are introverts, extroverts. Introverts are people that look more inside themselves. They look less outside. Extrovert, they look for reliance outside. We can see that sometimes extrovert, we observed, they speak also with the phone, with the right ear. And about that we will speak more in the next video. But no, don't use just this element. Introvert use the left ear. What is interesting is that psychologists observed that showing different faces to extroverts tended to remember positive faces. Introverts, negative faces. Negative, it means enraged. So introverts in some way justified with their behavior how they are, because in some way they are telling, I see a lot of negative in the faces, therefore I stay inside myself. The contrary for extroverts. I remember the good things. And now let's speak about the other 2 elements that we find in Eysenck theory. There are 2 other types that are called neurotic and stable. Neurotic have problems. Neurotic, in some way, they don't have the body. What I mean with the fact that they don't have the body. When they were children, probably the mother didn't touch them so much. Instead, the stable are people that are in contact with their body. They are good, they were loved probably. And how everything that I have said until now relate with the gaze. Look to a person looking at you. If they look a lot, probably they are extrovert. Probably they are stable extrovert. If they are introvert and stable, they probably will react more if they have a fear. If they don't look, instead they are gaze avoidant, defined as gaze avoidant. If they are gaze avoidant, they probably it's better you work with them with magnetic passes. Why? Because people gaze avoidant lack the body. But if we help them to recover their body, they will become normal, they will become stable, and so we can treat as the other. Okay, this is a little introduction. I would say that is not only important for fascination, for hypnotic fascination, but also in everyday life. Accompany the type of gaze that people show with you. Be with them, and you will get strong results. Thanks for your attention until now, and see us to the next video. Thanks. Subscribe to our channel. I bring information that I learned from my masters, a lot of information.